Hoy en Spike's Breezeway Cocktail Hour vamos a hacer un cóctel que se llama Grande.
What? We have a brand new guest, my new friend, Velaria
Tarantino.
Velaria Tatiana.
You know how to roll your R's. Say Valeria.
Valeria.
Valeria. Yeah, that's good. I like that. It's not even Mexican. It's Russian.
Oh. So then would you roll your R's, though, for like a Russian?
Valeria.
So tell me, why are you here anyway?
I don't know. Just kidding. I'm here to have a good time. I'm here for tequila. I'm here for the beer and the bitches, as they say.
There's no beer.
Oh.
And there's only... Earlier today, you were here for a photo shoot.
Yes. I was here for a photo shoot with Suavecito. Suavecito is a hair company. They have different types of hair products, merchandise, pomade, hairspray, grooming tools, everything you need to get right.
They even left. Look at this little hula pomade dude wiggler. Look at that. And the mugs over there are also from Suavecito. This is not a sponsored episode, but...
This one says, get it, Ruca.
What does Ruca mean?
Ruca is like your homegirl.
Get it, homegirl.
Yeah, basically, but get it, Ruca.
What does the other one say?
Get it, hombre.
What does hombre mean?
Man.
Oh. It's not as cool.
Get it, man.
Get it, man. So how'd you get into pinup modeling, though?
Oh, it just fell into my lap. And I said, let me embrace it.
So there was a dude in Oakland in 1933 that created a line of cocktail bars called Trader Vic's. Have you heard of that? He invented a cocktail called the Mai Tai. And then in 1964, he went traveling like through Texas, Mexico. He said that he was always in love with Mexican food.
It's the best.
But he thought that authentic Mexican food was not right for the American people at the time. It was too spicy. It was... He said it was too greasy. I know. I'm like, I don't know. That sounds pretty good. What are you turning your back? I'm not the guy.
You're not the guy.
Okay. He said it was too spicy, too greasy, too primitive. Ay, cabrón. But he loved Mexican food, and he wanted to...
Who doesn't?
Seriously. But he wanted to curate it for the American people in 1964. So he traveled to Mexico and Texas, and he found these recipes and then did his spin on them. Trader Vic opened a chain of restaurants called Senor Pico in 1964 in San Francisco, eventually in LA, and then all over the place. And at one point, his chain was selling more tequila than any other restaurant chain in America.
Oh.
Today's your lucky day, Velaria Tatiana.
So lucky.
We're drinking tequila, I think for the first time ever on Spike's Breezeway Cocktail Hour.
Oh, really?
Maybe. So since it's Cinco de Mayo.
Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Drinko.
So since it's Cinco de Mayo, I wanted to do a cocktail from Senor Pico, but by way of Trader Vic's, because this is a tiki show.
With the certified Mexican.
I know Spanish.
Okay, so you'll know. You'll know when I say.
Super bilingüe y fantástico.
Okay. ¿A dónde está la biblioteca?
Allá.
Oh. Se hace que no sabe, pero sí sabe.
What?
I don't know anything about drinks. I like Four Locos and Buzzballs.
Buzzballs?
No, I love Buzzballs so much. They do have a Buzzball Arita.
Arena?
Arita.
Oh, Arita.
Arita.
Like a margarita.
Yeah, but in a ball form. I'll have about 2 of those.
How'd you end up on this show?
I don't know.
So for this cocktail, we're going to be using limes.
Lima.
Huh?
Lima.
Okay. Triple sec.
No sé. No sé. Triple sec.
Y tequila.
Tequila. El Gran Jurado. Añejo.
There you go. Can you carefully cut this lime in half?
Can't be trusted with knives.
Cut those long ass nails off either.
I weigh.
So 3/4 and 3/4 is what?
I have a Compton education. I don't know any of this.
This is definitely the most verbically diverse.
Oh.
Verbically?
I love that.
Is that? I don't think that's a word either.
That's a word.
Okay.
But I mean, do what you want.
So 3/4 of an ounce per cocktail, 1.5 ounces for 2 drinks. So let's do the triple sec next. We need 3/4 of an ounce per cocktail. So 1.5 ounces for 2. There you go.
Oh, that's too much. I'll drink it. No, I'm just
You gonna drink
kidding.
it?
No.
You wanna taste it?
What does it taste like?
Like orange flavored.
You know, I think I've got it. This is to mix into cocktails, right?
That's what we're
I
doing.
think one time this is all I've had, like, at all. So I just drank it straight. Are you supposed to do that? We didn't know what to buy. That's what we bought, and that's what we drank.
Okay.
I mean, if you have a chaser, who cares?
You wanna pour it?
This is sick.
You like tequila? So we need 2 ounces of tequila per cocktail. What do you think about corks?
Corks are sick. They're awesome. I love them. I'm all about corks. Corks are my life.
Really?
Wait, did I do it wrong?
No. That's the best answer I've ever heard.
Oh, that corks are sick?
Mm-hmm.
I'll do it again.
Oh. Perfect.
So we set this aside and then we add this.
No,
right?
my God. Okay, we need 2 more ounces. Yeah,
Oh, because it's 2 of us.
it is 2 of us.
So 4. Wow. I'm learning so much math.
Okay, so that is the cocktail right there.
Check this cork action out.
You know what's sad is that's not the actual cork that goes to that bottle. I broke the other cork. That's a Pusser's rum cork. Very
It's
sad.
beautiful.
Times.
Love it.
Yeah. Let's see what Trader Vic says to do next. Squeeze the juice from the lime.
We did that.
Save lime half shell. We saved it.
It's called a shell? Oh.
Lime shell? You never heard that before?
Thought it was called throw it away. Or the skin. I don't know.
Shake the lime juice, triple sec, and tequila with ice cubes. You shaken many cocktails in your day?
Never actually.
This is very exciting.
Buzzballs aren't cocktails you shake, I don't think. I'm getting so cultured about my own culture right now. I like micheladas. That's my culture, right?
We're just gonna go ahead and pour this in here. Put that on top. So, you wanna shake horizontally.
Okay, why?
Because when you shake like this, the juice kind of just goes like this. When you shake like this, it like waves of the ocean, lapping on the beach.
Okay. Okay, so a ver, ¿cómo?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. Wait, what?
I'm bartending.
You helping customers?
Yeah, I'm helping customers right now.
Let me just
Close it. Leave it open. Okay. I'm bartending. Oh, you're shaking it way harder than I was shaking it.
thank you. The tin is frosty and cold.
Oh, that's how it's supposed to be?
And before we pour it into the glasses, I want to share with you 2 glasses that I bought right after Cinco de Mayo last year.
Cinco de Drinko.
And I was furious that I missed Cinco de Mayo. And I waited a year to do this episode to use from Senor Pico.
Pico.
Pico!
Pico. Spicy. Hot. Pico.
See.
Picosito. Picoso.
You through?
Yes.
These glasses that are in the vein of Trader Vic's and all these like Hawaiian dudes chasing chicks around. If you keep like turning it, eventually the chicks turn on the dudes and then they're beating the guys up.
Hell yeah.
So check this out. There's like this dude talking to this senorita at Pico's. She's like kissing on him.
Okay.
Oh no! He's going after
Slaps
her.
ass and she throws him into the nopales.
The nopales. What's that?
Cactus.
See.
Cacti. Cactus is one thing. Cacti is multiple of them.
See.
Los pinches nopales.
What do you think about this story?
I love it. I love it. I love when a baddie just,
Gets him.
yeah.
I'm gonna cut a little bit of this lime here and just a little bit of lime around the rim.
Okay.
Okay. Do you like salt or tahini better?
Tahini. I actually have a keychain on my keys with a little bottle of tahini because I keep that on me.
I like tahini better also, but to be true to the recipe, we're gonna use salt.
But as the certified Mexican here, I say put tahini on it. You want me to go grab my keys? Because I will.
No.
You don't like tajin?
Lo siento.
Oh, see, he knows. Es que te haces.
Yeah.
You don't even know what I said. You act like you don't know, but you know.
See.
Be like, me hago.
Me
It's like,
hago.
I act like I don't know, but I know.
Yeah, I'll go. Let's pour this into here. Ooh, you know what? You should probably pour this over some new ice. This is one of the rare occurrences in this cocktail show where we're actually going to strain over fresh ice.
Oh.
Let's do this.
Hielo.
It means ice in Spanish.
Yeah,
Soy
it does.
bilingüe.
Yeah, you are. Very much. I don't even know how to speak Spanish, actually. I'm not even Mexican.
So we're going to strain over fresh ice. This is like real close to a margarita, I think.
I like margaritas. I like margaritas when they have jalapeno in them, too.
That's my favorite.
Right? It's so good. It's a little, like, picosito.
Sí. Picante.
Picante. There you go, yeah.
We're going to use 2 straws from Spike's Breezeway Cocktail Hour and Surfside Sips. If you're interested in these, you can go to surfsidesips.com, enter Breezeway in the coupon code, and get a discount on these fake bamboo straws.
Go get them, because they're sick.
Before we taste this, if you want to join the Patreon, I will send you this enamel pin, just like I'm giving to my brand new friend here, Velaria Tatiana. I got it? Velaria Tatiana. There you go. Yeah.
Gracias. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm British now, not Mexican.
Oh no. You will also get opportunities to join us on a after-party Zoom call after each episode premieres, as well as the opportunity to buy merch before it goes on sale because it always sells out.
Always. Get it before it's gone.
Just like the swizzle sticks that we did in the last merch drop. There's still some of these available, but they are going quickly. And you can have that. You want a pink one though?
Pink is my favorite color.
There you go.
Gracias. Muchas gracias. Te lo agradezco. Con todo corazón te lo agradezco.
De nada. And so from 1964, this is the Grande.
Grande. Big.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. I'm so excited.
Wait, how do you say it in Spanish? Salud.
Salud.
Oh.
Salud.
Salud.
You ever heard pa arriba, pa abajo, pa'l centro, pa dentro?
What does that mean?
It means, well, it rhymes in Spanish, but I guess in English it doesn't rhyme.
Oh.
Up, down, center, drink.
Oh.
Okay, so pa arriba, pa abajo, al centro, pa dentro.
I forgot to say that this is supposed to be garnished like that.
Oh, big old lime ass.
Salud.
Salud.
But also your cheers thing.
Bomb. I love it. It's delicious, like a margarita.
It's like a margarita.
Yeah, I don't like the slushy-ish type of margaritas.
Yeah, but you can get them like over ice.
That's true.
Yeah.
But this is good.
Do you think this is better than a
tasty.
margarita?
Mm-hmm. I could get
Loose on
I
this?
could get loose on this.
It's like a little bitter. Is it bitter or is it tart?
Bitter, but more bitters. It's delicious. But you know what this could use?
Some tahini?
Some tahini. Now that we tried it without it, can we try it with it?
Yep.
Okay. Do you have tahini or do I need to bring my keys?
I guess bring your keys. You really have tahini on your keys. Huh?
No, I'm like not kidding.
If you're used to like a really good margarita, this feels like a little bit of a letdown. Kind of let down.
I like it. I think it's smooth. It's easy to drink. I could drink like 17 of them.
Yeah, I could too. But if you're like trying to have a really nice cocktail, I think it's just kind of whatever. But it could be based on the tequila. Could be based on the triple sec.
You think it should be more limey? Maybe.
I'm really partial to like the jalapeno flavor.
I like the jalapeno too.
Yeah. If I had my way, this would just be a jalapeno margarita. This wouldn't even be a grande.
But anyways, you know you're Mexican when your keys have a mini tajin in case for emergencies.
Oh my god.
Yeah, with a little mango charm. Because you know you have to have tajin on your mango. And obviously a scorpion.
Obviously.
Obviously.
I don't think that there was any possible way that would have been better to introduce this cocktail glass from Senor Pico's by having her here. Oh, wow. You're just like dumping it in there?
Yeah, you want some?
Sure.
Wait, you gotta move your line.
Oh, okay.
Wait, I think it might be... Did I put too much? Is it too spicy?
You're too spicy.
Too spicy? Never too spicy. Just spicy enough. Not sponsored by Tajín, but sponsor us.
Sponsor this tiki show, Tajín.
Yeah, Tajín.
For one cocktail a year.
Yeah. For Cinco de Drinko. Cheers con Tajín.
See.
Cheers, but spicy.
Okay, let's try it con Tajín.
That set it off.
Oh, that's so much better.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I told you. Tajín makes everything better.
So much better. But I think Trader Vic would have been furious about this. He would have been like, it's too spicy.
Yeah, well, I'll fight him.
It's too greasy. It's too primitive.
And to that I say,
Oh no, what are you doing?
tie my hair up so I can fight him.
You gonna fight Trader Vic?
Yeah.
Don't ruin your hair.
I'll fight him. Cheers. Wait, it's bad luck to cheers if you've already drank.
Oh really?
Yeah. That's a Mexican superstition.
Close one.
Bad to cheers when you've already drank, and bad to cheers with water. Did you know that?
I knew the water thing.
Mala suerte. We don't want that.
Mala suerte.
Happy Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Drinko.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
No!
No cheers. I was testing you.
She almost got me in trouble with
With the Mexican law.
with the Mexican bad luck. All right, make this cocktail. Go get yourself a keychain filled with Tajín.
Just in case.
Yeah, and it makes it super good.
It's so good with the Tajín, right?
It's super good, yeah. Folks, if you enjoyed this, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and if you don't hit that subscribe button,
I'll fight you. And I'm from Compton.